What started as another yard sale ended when Cole Jackson Hughes was shot outside his Oildale home. Sheriff's office released the body camera video of the shooting of the 53-year-old father of 6 and husband to Lynn Hughes.
He'd been drinking a little bit, and we were having a yard sale, and he got a little mouthy. He's done it before. And the police got called out here, and it escalated into something it should have never escalated into.
The video shows it was Lynn Hughes who called deputies in the first place.
I need the police out here.
What's the problem?
My husband is putting his hands on me.
She then called a second time.
My husband has a weapon now. Can somebody please come out?
What kind of weapon does he have?
He has a gun and he has an axe.
Deputies arrived and repeatedly asked Cole Hughes to put down the rifle, which actually was a pellet hunting rifle. The mobile evaluation team, which assesses mental health, and the SWAT team were called, but didn't arrive before the shooting. The body camera video shows 20 minutes passed during the standoff.
Put the rifle down! Put the rifle down now!
The video shows neighbors ignoring instructions to evacuate, even walking near the line of fire. That made it more urgent to end the situation, the sheriff's department said. Hughes is seen standing up and raising his rifle the moment the shooting started. Deputy Nicholas Rocha shot Cole from a house across the street with a rifle. Cole died in the hospital a day after the shooting. Rocha was the only deputy who fired. He was also involved in another fatal shooting back in 2021. It was ruled justified.